Good day, my viewer. You are welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you for liking and sharing my previous video. Alright, today we're going to be talking about arrays in programming. And then I'll start by defining what an array is. Array is a collection of elements which are stored in a single variable. They are usually of the same data type, and then they are basically useful when working with lists of numbers, names, objects, or any structured data. Right, so the task today is to create a list of array. What we're going to do, basically, we have 5 to 6 tasks to do today. The first one is going to list an array of imputed numbers from users. Okay, so the program is going to ask the user to impute some numbers, and then the first task is that the program will list all the number imputed as an array. I remember array are usually stored in a single variable. All right, so this time around we're going to be looking at integers as a variable, and then secondly is going to reverse the order of the array list. The program will also reverse the order of the array list. And then number 3 task is going to find the largest number of the array list. So we're going to find the largest number of the array list. And then number 4, we'll look at the sum total of the array list. Then number 5, we'll find the average of the array list. That is the number imputed by the users. And then number 6, we're going to check whether a specific number is present in the array list. So I'll just type the tasks in that order before we start the programming. Number 1, what we're going to do, let me type that here. Number 1, we're going to list array of the imputed numbers by the users. And then number 2, we'll reverse the order of the array list. And then number 3, we'll find the largest number of the array list. And then number 4, we're going to find sum total of the array list. And then number 5, we're going to find average of the array list. And then lastly, number 6, so we're going to check whether a specific number is present in the array list. So these are the 6 tasks that this program is going to sort of work on. All right, we're going to list array of the imputed numbers. So the program is going to prompt the user to impute a set of numbers, and then the program will list array of the imputed numbers. And then task 2 is going to reverse the order of the array list, and then it's also going to find the largest number of the array list, and then find sum total of the array list, average of the array list, and then lastly is going to check whether a specific number is present in the array list. So these are the 6 tasks we're going to work on. So let's get started. We're still using our Pictoblox program, and then the programming language we're using is Python programming language. Right, so let's get started. So we're going to make use of our sprite this time around. The name of the sprite is Toby, and then Toby is going to ask the users to input a set of numbers, and that will be listed as an array. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is to initialize a number, num. That's going to be the name of an array variable equals to an array, and then you represent an array with square bracket. All right, so we are leaving it as an empty array because the user is actually going to type in the numbers for this array. All right, so we add the sprite dot input, and then I open my bracket. We're going to ask the users to enter a set of number, enter a set of numbers, separated by comma. All right, so this line of code is going to prompt the user to enter a set of number separated by comma, and then we are going to append this response to the array list. That is the number. So the next line of code is going to be we're going to append number. That's append num dot append. That's append function sprite dot answer. All right, so you can see that Pictoblox is already suggesting that for us. Okay, so what this line of code will do are these two lines. The first line here is going to prompt the user to enter a set of numbers separated by comma, and then the second line, that's line 5, is going to append whatever number imputed by the users to the array list. All right, so that is what this first two line is going to do. So the next line is that we're going to backspace and then enter key. All right, so the next thing we need to do is to convert the input to a string list of numbers. All right, now because when the user input numbers, it's going to be separated by comma. So we want to turn the input list to an integer number. So we have number equals to open bracket, square bracket, then integer. We are turning it to an integer x dot strip. So what we're doing here is that we are turning whatever input the user entered into an integer value. All right, and then I open my bracket. Okay, and then I have for x in sprite dot answer, for x in sprite dot answer, then I have a split, so that will be splitted, then open bracket, quotation mark, then comma. Remember that the user is going to separate the imputed number with comma. So this will take care of, for instance, if a user impute double comma or miss the comma. So this is going to take care of it. So this split will take care of that. All right, so we move to the next line now. So we're going to list the array now. So remember, the first task is to list the arrays of number imputed. So I'm going to initiate that with another variable called array list. Array list equals to number, then square bracket array. So this symbol here, two column here, it means start and stops. Okay, so it's going to list all the numbers imputed from this first number to the last number. All right, so that is what this line of code is going to do. All right, so that's line 9. All right, so that way, and then we need to print a statement here. I have print, I'll use string print here, f, and then I have my double quote, array of the imputed number, array of the imputed numbers, imputed number are then array list. So it's going to be my variable, the variable used to store the array list. So this is going to print out or list the array of the imputed number. So we have been able to finish the first task. So the next task is to reverse the order of the array list. So all we need to do is also to set, okay, all right, I'm getting an error on line 10. Okay, the double quote is meant to be after the curly bracket. Yes, yes, okay. So that has been sorted. All right, so I move to the next line to reverse the order of the array list. So I have reverse. I'm going to use another variable called reverse array, reverse array to be equals to number. Remember, we store the array list in number called variable. Okay, I have my square bracket, and then I have my double column, and then -1. So this -1 is going to reverse it from the last one. It will bring the last number to be the first number. So that is what this -1 is going to do. And then I need to print out a statement. I have print. I also use string print this time around. F column, the reverse order, the reverse order of the array is full column, and then I have my variable right here in the curly bracket, that is reverse. So Pictoblox already suggested that reverse array. So this is going to print out the reverse order of the array, and then the next task is to find the largest of the imputed numbers. So I'm also going to store that in another variable called largest. So I have largest number, largest underscore number equals to the name of the function used to find largest number in programming is known as max. That's from the word maximum. That's max of number. All right, so this is going to find the maximum number, the largest number, and then I have my print statement as well. Print string print, that's double quote, the largest number in the list if, and then I have my curly bracket, open curly bracket, and then I have my variable largest number in the curly bracket. So Pictoblox already suggested that. I'll close my curly bracket. Okay, all right, so task number 3 has been accomplished. So we move to task number 4, that is finding the sum total. All right, so we're going to have array total underscore total equals to, that is sum of all the numbers, that's NUM. Remember, we store all the numbers in a variable NUM in line 2. Okay, all right, so we have that, and then I have my print statement, print, then I'm using string print as well, double quote, that sum total of the array list is column, and then I have my curly bracket. Array is going to suggest that array total. All right, so I close my curly bracket. Here. Okay, and then task number 5 is to find the average of the array list. So the same way we did for maximum and then array total, we're going to have array underscore average, then that will be equals to, that is array total divided by total number of length of the numbers imputed. So we're going to have array underscore total, we are suggesting the variable, then divided by that / length of number. All right, so if the imputed number is 5, so that will be sum total divided by 5. So if the inputted number is 6, so that will be sum total divided by 6. All right, then I'm going to have my print statement. So I have print string print, that's average of the array list, is open my curly bracket, that is array average underscore average, all right, so this should be array underscore average equals to array total divided by length of the number. Good. All right, so that is task number 5, and then the last task is to check whether a specific number is present in the array list and then if that is present, it's going to return a statement that the number is in the array, and if not, it's going to also return a statement that the number is not in the array. So we're going to do that now. All right, so let's store that in a variable. Let's store the number as number to check, number underscore to check equals to, so let's say for instance we are checking for 5. All right, number to check is 5. So it's going to look at the array list and check if there is 5 in the array list. It's going to return a statement that 5 is in the array list. If not, it's going to also return a statement that 5 is not in the array list. So that's what we're doing with this line of code. All right, so I'm going to have if number to check, that number to check is already suggesting that for us is in number. Remember that we store our array in number. So if number to check is in number, what should it do? And then I have my column. It should print that's a string print. I'm going to also use string print. It should print that number to check is in the array. So I have my curly bracket, number to check, close the curly bracket, is in the array. All right, so I have that. So if not, what should I do? So I'm going to have my else statement. Remember to I need to bring my cursor back, all right, for the else. All right, so else, what should I do? And then I have print, that's I'm going to also use string print. There's open my curly bracket, number to check is not in the array. All right, so this is to check number 5 in the list of array. So if number 5 is present in the list, the program will print a statement that the number 5 is in the array. If not, it's going to print a statement that 5 is not in the array list. Okay, so we have been able to complete this. Let's run the program. Let me expand the terminal, and then I click on run now. So when I click on run, all right, good. So the sprite is asking us here to enter a set of numbers separated by comma. So I enter 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 12. All right, and then I press enter key. When I do that, so you can see what the program returns. I have array of the imputed numbers are 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 12. And then the reverse order of the array is 12, 9. So that is writing the number from the back to the front. All right, so I have 12, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 2. And then I have the largest number, that is the maximum number from the list is 12. And then the sum total of the array I have is 53. And then I have the average of the array list is 6.625. And then I already show us how to format. We can format this to 2 decimal place if you want. All right, so you can check my previous video to know how to do that. All right, and then I have 5 is in the array list, so because I have 5 is in the array list. So let's assume that I'm going to clear and then run the program again. So let's assume that I do not have 5 in the array list. So let's see what we're going to have. So I'm running the program again, and then I have okay, I have this sprite asking me to enter a set of numbers separated by comma. So let's say I have 20, I have 3, I have 4, I have 7, I have 8, I have 9 this time around, and then I press enter key. So I have the array of the imputed number at this, and then look at the where we're checking for 5. 5 is not in the array. All right. So with this code, we have been able to list the number of array, imputed by the users, reverse the order of the array, find the largest number of the array, sum total, average, and then also check for a specific number in the array. All right. So thank you for watching till the end of this video. Please like this video and share with your friend. And then if you have any question, please do not hesitate to inbox me in the comment section. Thank you. I'm going to collapse the terminal so that we can go back into the code. So here is the code. All right. And then if you have any question, please do not hesitate to inbox me in the comment section. Thank you.